Hey guys, how's it going? This is another video showing the Ultra Dashcam. I figured I'd bring you a video because it was a nice day, kind of pretty where I'm driving, and cars and stuff, and this way you can see for yourself. So the size of the video is 2560 by 1440 at 30 frames a second. So that's what this is recording at. And as you can see, it puts the, date and time and stuff in the lower right corner. And, just kind of cruising along here. Of course, I have the sound off. I pretty much have decided just to have the sound off because, I had a friend in the car. He was asking, hey, is that recording sound? I didn't really want to record our conversation. I was like, no, it's not recording sound. And, the things that might be said and might be on there, I don't know. That just seems kind of iffy. Of course, different states have different recording laws on whether it's a one-party state or whether you need permission from both parties. So you could illegally be recording, hence why I think they let you turn it on or off on these cameras because, well, you might be breaking the law depending where you're at. Colorado is a one-party state, so I could have it on and not care what somebody's talking about. Of course, I would never use that against somebody, even if I was in a state that I knew it wasn't legal, as I'm doing the air quotes here that you can't see. But you know what I mean. I mean, obviously, I wouldn't be like, hey, look, I got this video here, and I'm going to use it against you because what you said. Oh, wait. Oh, it's illegal. So, So feel free to do what you want to do as far as pausing the video, looking at signs, seeing if you can see license plates. That's why I put various clips together of my drive. This was a drive from Penrose, Colorado on 115 up to Colorado Springs. It's a really nice road. People were just hauling butt, but it let me show as people go by, can you see their license plate? Can't you see their license plate? Once we have it on YouTube and YouTube does its thing with compression, we'll get a better understanding. Another vehicle going by. A lot of these people were actually tailgating. I've been wondering if I should get another one and face it backwards because, you know what? You catch a lot of crazy people in the back. I'm like, oh my God, get off my butt. I'm going over the speed limit, admittedly, here, probably 5 miles an hour. Not drastic, but a lot of people seem to want to go 10, 15, 20. And it's like, are you kidding me? So, yeah, be careful out there, people. A lot of nuts on the road, especially the riders. So just right there you could see so he's doing a pass. It was legal and stuff, although he is speeding drastically. And actually the red truck was going spot on the speed limit, so I couldn't really complain too much.